Spending $15,000 on a new car in the US would land you a new Ford Fiesta with a few extras, but the same amount will get you a new Baojun 730 in China. Upgraded for the new MY, the MPV is still based on a Lotus-tuned chassis, though it gets a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine rated at 147 horsepower, 149 PS, and 170 pounds-to-foot. 230 Newton-meters of torque that's mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. Despite carrying a starting price of RMB 99,800, $15,045, the MPV made by SAIC-GM-Wuling exclusively for the Chinese market comes with a few high-tech features, such as the active air intake grille, which controls the air entry into the engine compartment, allowing it to reach the optimal temperature faster, and reducing wind drag. The 730 has a 2+2+3 seating layout, and is available with a new black and gray interior trim, dark wood-like accents, ice blue ambient lighting, dual-color seats and a 9-speaker infinity sound system by Harman, which was custom-made for this vehicle. Moreover, the automaker claims that the cabin is segment-leading quiet, thanks to sound-absorbing and soundproofing materials. GM's local joint venture expects the upgraded MPV to continue the success of the model introduced in 2015, which managed to achieve a 5-star safety rating from SAIC-GM.